Welcome back to Lizard Son of Manicky YouTube channel. Today we're working on the Econoline van again. We're replacing the inlet manifold gasket, the exhaust manifold gasket. So some of the problems I have is the room getting in here. So I'm going to pull some of the engine cowl off. We'll see how we go. As you see, we've just got it off. Might give me some access to the manifold now. I've got to get that carby off. I couldn't get to it. I've undone the top bolts on the manifold. The bottom ones down here very hard to find. See how we go. I brought a new carby. It's a bit different to this one, and also has an electric choke. It's going to be a lot better, but the whole setup's a lot different. It's meant to fit. So I hope they're right. Well, carby's ready to come off. Hope the new one fits. Got an insulator on it. Now let's see if we can get this exhaust flange bolts undone. Yeah, way too loose. Well, we've got down the last bolt. Been a bit of an effort. Try and lift this heavy thing out of here. Being cast iron, it's not light. Easy thing, but then again, if you're going to that much work, it's probably nearly just as easy to bolt that thing in.
Oh yeah, she's fucking...
Yeah, look, it's only when I sort of leaned on that, I go, oh.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
That's how
See, and that's why. See, it's been leaking here.
Yeah.
Been leaking there.
Ah.
So I was looking at the gasket. See, it's been leaking through there.
Oh shit, yeah. There.
Yeah.
Fuck. More leaking at the fucking Sydney Harbour Bridge.
Yeah.
Fuck. That's like the worst part is you pull something apart and then you get disheartened.
Yeah.
Because I mean, to find one of these isn't going to be like fucking tomorrow. You're lucky you find it.
It's the same manifold as the 6-cylinder like an F100.
Well, there's many of them actually away.
No.
so.
Yeah.
Otherwise, all we need is plates made. That's all I need to do, and then just some mineral bends. It's just they're cheap as fuck, and it's not hard to make extractors. You can make a short set, and then.
There's only short because it's only got a drop down there.
Yeah. Well, we can do that, Pete. Because that pulls away from this, doesn't it?
Yeah, shit, yeah.
Yeah.
It's only a matter of doing those couple of bolts. I'll pull it off first.
Yeah.
See, that's it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a big fucking weld right through inside.
Yeah, but see, it's cracked there.
Yeah.
It's all the way through.
Toasted, yeah.
It's toasted. So what was meant to happen today was I was going to replace the exhaust gasket and the carby, which this carby does fit on there. Wasn't too sure because it's different. You can see the throttle link is just the same. Just the air cleaner I brought for it. There's the only thing that will fit under the cover. To get me out of trouble for now, Ron's welded up my exhaust manifold. Yeah, it's not pretty, but it will do the job. Just until I either put the V8 in or get another manifold, maybe a set of headers. So the manifolds are cleaned up. Going to put them together. Going to use a bit of high temperature silicone in on the gaskets as well. See if it helps seal it up. Get that ready to go back on. Well, manifold's back on. Don't know how it's going to work.
So there, so...
Yeah, you give it a tune up.
Give it a tune
up. Running good now.
Yeah.
We'll see. Should start just turning the key. Next job on the agenda is wiring up this choke, but we need to find out where we can get some power for it. So we have it just right here. And there's power. This one doesn't, this is the one that will keep the solenoid in. So I need to hook up power to there. Well, it runs. Now it's time to start putting it back together. Well, air cleaner's on now. Now put the venting cover back on. Looks like I'm going to have to pull the tank out of it. It's got the same problem. Just spewed the fuel out. I've got 12 litres in before it starts spitting it out. Oh, we're down the carby, going to give it a wash. Well, we're off to do our first road trip back to Melbourne. Says I got half a tank, don't know. Says it's cold. No alternator lights. Oh, no oil pressure light on. Hopefully we're good to go. Well, we're on our way. Here we go. There's old girl. Had a wash. Heading off to Melbourne. Plenty of water leaking onto the route. Does have a noise in the diff or wheel bearing, something like that. Could be unis. Yeah, I've cleaned the windscreen, started to clean the interior, vacuumed it out. Put some tire shine on the wheels. The dark, it looks good.